Will my MP estate protection plan really work? This is a perfectly fair question. Let's face it, by the time our MP estate protection plan is needed, you likely won't be around. I've been an estate planner in England and Wales for over a decade, and I've been in business long enough now that I'm starting to get the children coming back to me because sadly some of my clients have passed away. I've now got multiple recordings of conversations with the beneficiaries talking about why mom and dad established their MP estate protection plan and what the kids need to know going forward. We've even got one on our YouTube channel. This is a video of my client's daughter, Karen, who lives in Somerset. Karen's father and mother set up their MP estate protection plan in 2018, about 6 years ago. Tragically, mom had to go into care in September of 2023, and then her father died, unfortunately, in February of 2024, just a few months back. About 2 days after dad's funeral, they received a demand letter from the solicitor's firm demanding that they sell their parents' home and hand over the money to pay for their mom's care fees. Naturally, a sharply written letter from a solicitor gets everyone's blood pressure up, and Karen and her sister gave me a call. After a few minutes, I was able to bring up their case on our Estate Pro system, and when I realized the facts of the case, I had a small smile and I was able to basically help the girls to relax very quickly. You see, this was done over 6 years ago, and I simply said, ladies, you're so bulletproof you have no idea. The fact that mom and dad put their home into their MP estate protection plan in 2018 means that they did this far in advance, and there's no way there was any foreseeable need for care or support, which is the guidance from the CARE Act 2014. It also helps that when we created their MP estate protection plan, we also provide 9 different reasons why mom and dad are actually setting up their protection plan. These are all legitimate use cases for the planning and have nothing to do with care fees or care fees protections. For example, most parents are worried their children might get a divorce in the future. This is a 100% legitimate use case of the MP estate protection plan, as the divorce rate here in England is 42%, or basically a coin flip. And most parents don't want to see their hard work walking out the door with Mr. or Mrs. Wrong, their child's future ex-spouse. So we reminded the girls that this was the main reason why their parents had set up their MP estate protection plan, and then we further explained that what they needed to do and what they needed to say when dealing with the solicitors. About a month later, Karen came back to me overjoyed they had not lost the family home to care fees. She even gave me this fantastic testimonial video that tells you several things about us all at once. Number 1, our solutions can work. Number 2, we've been doing this quite a while. We didn't come down in the last rain shower. Number 3, we provide post-sales service to your family at their time of need. And number 4, we're an excellent value for money. You can check out the video in the description. It's less than 2 minutes long. Thanks, Karen. We're really glad to see everything work out the way mom and dad wanted.